Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad paper, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. For example, in this kind of search section, you can do it in the notes, you can do it in the browser, wherever you want to actually just have the keyboard on the screen. So you have to pick the app which will provide you with the keyboard, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on this strange kind of keyboard and the globe icon, thanks to which we can open more options. Now we have to enter the settings, and here tap on languages. And as you can see, we've got the list of the languages, which are divided into two sections. We've got the other languages which are currently set, or available languages here. All you have to do in order to add new language to the keyboard is to find it and tap on this plus icon. And let me enter actually Urdu, because it will take a long time if I would like to scroll down to find the Urdu. What's happening? So let me just enter it, and as you can see here, we've got the Urdu, so this is the language of my choice, and let me just tap on this plus icon. As you can see, we have to wait just a little bit, and after that we can take a look at this added language section. We've got our Urdu language added. So now we can go back to the keyboard in order to actually check how it will work, how it will look like. So let's tap here to open the keyboard, and as you can see, actually immediately we've got the Urdu language applied. What's more, the spacebar, let's take a look at it. It will not be empty. It will simply show you the language you are currently using. So right now we've got the Urdu, and I can of course freely type in Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon, which will act just like a language key, we can change the language to the English, just like that. And of course the name of the language will also appear on the spacebar. So alright, so basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really like to have 3 or 4 different languages added. You just want to change it and leave the one language. So then we have to enter the same section, so let's tap on the settings here, enter the languages again. And here from this tab you have to first of all untick this option, and by doing that you will simply kind of remove it from the keyboard, but it will be still here. If you will decide that you want to turn it on, you won't have to go through this whole list, and trust me, it is so long. So you will be able just tap on this you can just tick it, and then it will be applied to the keyboard. If not, you can always remove it permanently from this section, of course, because it will still be in available languages, just by tapping on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, which of course means that we will not be able to change the language, because we've got only one left. As you can see, the language key, which is the globe icon, simply does not work. As you can see, you can also enter those languages just by using this globe icon. Tap on it, hold it, and tap on more languages. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your HUAWEI MatePad paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.